Good morning, student. I, Rashmi ma'am, is again back with your online classes, or you can say online session for class 7. Subject is biology. Okay, student, we were in kingdom. Which kingdom it was? Kingdom Protista. We were reading about the kingdom Protista, in which we were completing about amoeba. In which we are completing about amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled eukaryotic organism which it has a well-defined nucleus. It has a well-defined nucleus. It is surrounded by a cell membrane. How it is surrounded? It is surrounded by a cell membrane, and they do not have a definite shape. They have a false feet called pseudopodia. With the help of this, they can move and capture their prey. Amoeba is a unicellular organism that has the ability to change its shape. They are usually found in water bodies such as ponds, lakes, and slow moving rivers. They can move from one place to another place with the help of their false feet, that is called pseudopodia, which they move and capture their prey. Now, what should be the nutrition of the amoeba? It was first being given by the German scientist, or you can say the German naturalist named August Johann Rosel von Rosenhoff. Now we are going to read about the structure of amoeba and the features of the amoeba. First is the nutrition. The process of obtaining food by amoeba is called phagocytosis. The process by which amoeba have their food or they eat their food, it is known as phagocytosis. The process of nutrition includes the following steps. First is the ingestion. Amoeba had temporary finger-like projection called pseudopodia. When a food particles come near it, it engulfs the food and particles and forms a food vacuole in it. Movement occurs through the use of pseudopodia, means what? False feet. Where the cytoplasm, what it does, it pushes the plasma membrane outward and inward, creating blunt finger-like projections. As there can be multiple pseudopodia at one particular instance, hence its shape rapidly changes. The structure of amoeba primarily encompasses three parts: the cytoplasm, plasma membrane, and the nucleus. How many parts the amoeba has in its structure? First is the cytoplasm, second is plasma membrane, and the third is the nucleus. Now the cytoplasm can be differentiated into two layers. The outer is the ectoplasm and the inner is the endoplasm. The cytoplasm is being differentiated into two layers. The outer is ectoplasm and the inner cytoplasm is the endoplasm. Ingestion: when they have to eat the food, amoeba had temporary finger-like projection that is called pseudopodia. When the food particles is nearby them, they engulf the food particles and forms a food vacuole in it. What they form? Food vacuole in it. The plasma membrane is a very thin, double-layered membrane composed of proteins and lipid molecules. What it is composed of? The plasma membrane is very thin, double-layered membrane composed of protein and lipid molecules. Amoeba also contains other cellular organelles such as contractile vacuoles, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and fat globules. Amoeba consumes food either through the process of phagocytosis or pinocytosis. So the phase of eating food of amoeba is called phagocytosis or pinocytosis. The process of reproduction. The process of reproduction in amoeba is through asexual means such as binary fission, in which Two daughter nuclei are differentiated and through multiple fission in which many daughter nuclei are being made. The lifespan of a typical amoeba is 2 days, but because it undergoes binary fission, the resultant daughter cells are the same as its parent cells, so technically amoebas can be termed as immortal. Amoeba consumes the process of reproduction is through asexual means such as binary fission, in which two daughter nuclei are formed, and also through multiple fission in which multiple new daughter nuclei are formed. Now, when living conditions are not ideal, an amoeba can essentially transform itself into a protective ball called microbial cyst. When living conditions become better, it can revert back to its trophozoite stage when it can start feeding again. Now, amoebas classification. Traditionally, amoebas are grouped under the kingdom Protista as they are neither classified as a plant, animal or fungus. Amoeba is kept under kingdom Protista, but it has been neither classified as plant, animal nor fungus. However, amoebas fall under eukaryote as they possess a true nucleus. They are having two nucleus, that's why they are called eukaryotic organisms. Though technically not a true amoeba, the Naegleria fowleri, or more commonly called the brain-eating amoeba, is an amoeboid organism that can make its way into the human body through nose. It primarily feeds on neurons, thereby destroying the brain tissue. Unsurprisingly, the fatality rate of this infection is high, 97%. Now, after this comes the digestion of amoeba. The enzymes surrounding the cytoplasm enter into the food vacuole. They further break down the food vacuoles into small and soluble molecules. In digestion, what they do? The enzymes surrounding the cytoplasm enter into the food vacuoles, further break down the food molecules and into the small soluble molecules. Now comes assimilation. The food in the food varies is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm diffusion. This food then spreads from food vacuole to the whole